Today I'm gonna show you how to use any apps on the cover skin. So look here, I'm use any apps in my cover skin. Just press on to open. Some provide how can easily add this. So open your settings, scroll down, click on this option, press on, scroll down and make sure to turn on this option. Just press on to turn on and open. So look here, showing here only 5 apps to allow in cover skin. Or if you want to add any apps, click on this option and you need to first install the launcher apps. You just easily install launcher apps from in here, and you just like I'm at first remove all, okay, and press on to plus option. Just select. Okay, now successfully add all apps. So go back and let's try. So look here, showing here my all apps in my cover. I'm just easily use from here. So that's it.